From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up a lot warmer than we were yesterday. We are already looking at temperatures in the low teens here this morning. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. It is clear outside right now, but we are going to be seeing increasing clouds throughout the day and a few snow showers in the northwestern part of our viewing area. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are waking up dry this morning. There is no activity on our radar at all, but we are going to be seeing just a few lake effect snow showers later on today, mainly affecting the area that saw the most amount of snow on Sunday. But for today, little accumulation is expected. In total, I am thinking about an inch of accumulation of that lake effect snow for today. So here's the radar and satellite. We are clear right now. We are going to be seeing an increase in clouds coming in from the west, and then later on this afternoon and evening, seeing a few snow showers coming into the area. We are waking up a lot warmer than yesterday. Here is a look at some of our temperatures. We are already all above freezing. Some areas already in the teens. We are looking at 9 degrees in Lowville. Also in Rome, we're at 15 degrees already in Westmoreland. If we do go down south a little bit, we are looking at 14 degrees at all of our areas down south this morning. We are looking to rise to the low 30s for the high temperature today, so it is going to just feel a lot better. So here's a closer look at those high temperatures. We are looking at the upper 20s up in the North Country, in the upper 20s to low 30s in the Mohawk Valley, and going down to the southern valleys, we're looking at the upper 20s to low 30s once again. So this is about 25 degrees higher than yesterday, so we are definitely going to feel that warm up. It is just going to be a little bit breezy today, so feeling a little bit cooler than these temperatures, but it is just going to feel a lot better than yesterday. The winds turn light for tomorrow, so it is going to feel even better tomorrow as our highs are in the low 30s. We are going to be seeing windy conditions once again on Friday and breezy conditions on Saturday. And on these 2 days, the frigid temperatures are going to make a return, especially on Saturday. So we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds here this morning. Here comes those lake effect snow showers, once again mainly affecting the northwestern part of Oneida County, the same as Monday. Little accumulation is expected from this. It dies down pretty quickly, but come tomorrow we are going to be seeing more scattered snow showers in the area due to a cold front moving through, but high temperatures are going to be in the low 30s. For today, we have a high in the low 30s. A few snow showers are expected overnight tonight. A chance once again of those few snow showers with low temperatures in the 20s. So we are going to be seeing snow showers today and tomorrow. The cooler weather does return on Friday as it gets a bit windy, and our high is just in the low 20s. And once again on Saturday, those frigid temperatures returning. We have a high of just 8 degrees. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Oneida police are asking for...
Good morning to Trenton and all of the greater Utica region. Welcome back. We are still kind of below average in snowfall, even after the big snowfall event we did see on Monday in some of our areas. So we measure everything at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. So this time last year, around this time, we had 39.7 inches of snow already. We are still only looking at 14.4 inches as of right now that we have gotten this winter season. So we are about a little over 2 feet away from our average snowfall, so we are way below average in snowfall this year. We are going to be seeing a chance of snow for the afternoon and evening hours of today. Little accumulation is expected from this, but this is in the last into the overnight hours into tomorrow. There also is a chance of some snow showers for the day tomorrow, but again, little accumulation is expected from the snowfall. We are going to be much warmer today, looking at temperatures in the low 30s for the high. Even this morning, we were already in the teens too. We are going to be in the low 20s once that sun rises, so it is going to feel a lot warmer this morning. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. If you live in Bridgewater, I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, it's going to be a lot warmer today than yesterday, I'm sure.
Yes, it already is a lot warmer this morning. We're already about like 10, 15 degrees warmer, but it's still feeling pretty cold out there with that wind.
Yeah, that wind is something else.
I know. So I'm still pretty cold, but it is going to be a lot warmer for the day. Let's take a look at our current temperatures right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are at 11 degrees. If you do recall, at this time yesterday, we were at about -4 or -3. So we are a lot warmer than yesterday, but there is a wind speed at 11 miles per hour, making it feel like -3 degrees. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but we are going to be seeing increasing clouds throughout the day, and a few lake effect snow showers are possible. Once again, our wind speed is coming in at 11 miles per hour at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. So we are going to be seeing breezy conditions today, making that temperature feel a little bit cooler, but still is going to feel a lot warmer all in all than yesterday. So for today, a few scattered lake effect snow showers are possible this afternoon and this evening. We do have high temperatures in the low 30s, and I will be tracking some more snow for tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A panel at the State Health Department has
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up a lot warmer than we were yesterday. We already have temperatures in the single digits and in the low teens, so that is much better than being below zero here this morning. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly clear skies right now. Once again, a lot warmer than yesterday, but we are going to be seeing increasing clouds throughout the day and a few snow showers possible. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry and clear once again. We are going to be seeing an increase in clouds moving in from the west. We are also going to be seeing a wind breeze from the west, so we are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers possible today, especially in the areas that did see the most amount of snow on Monday. So that is in the northwestern part of Oneida County. Little accumulation is expected from this. All in all, I would think about an inch of snow accumulation from today. Now, here are our temperatures already this morning. We are at 10 degrees up in Lowville, 9 degrees in Rome and White Sparrow, 18 degrees in Westmoreland. Down in the south, already at 13 and 14 degrees in Skenevis, and 13 degrees in Sherburne. So we are already about 20 degrees above the temperature that it was yesterday morning. So here's a closer look at the high temperatures today, about 25 to 30 degrees above the temperature yesterday. We are in the upper 20s in the North Country for the high temperature, in the low 30s in the Mohawk Valley. We are in the upper 20s to low 30s in the Southern Valley today. So it is going to feel a lot better, a lot warmer than it was yesterday. It is going to be a little bit breezy though, so those temperatures are going to be feeling a little bit cooler because of a breeze that is going to be coming into the area. The breeze is going to calm down for tomorrow, so feeling even better tomorrow. We do still have highs in the low 30s, and we are not really going to be getting a breeze. The windy conditions do return on Friday, so Friday is going to feel a little bit cold. We only have highs in the upper teens to low 20s, and it is going to be windy. And on Saturday, the breeze remains, and those frigid temperatures do come back into the area on Saturday. Our high temperatures, once again, only about 8 degrees. So we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds here this morning. A chance for some lake effect snow showers do come in the afternoon and evening hours, especially in the northwestern part of Oneida County. Little accumulation is expected from this. It doesn't last too long, but in the overnight hours tonight and for tomorrow, we are going to continue to see that chance of some scattered snow showers because of a cold front that is moving towards the area. So for today, we have a high in the low 30s. We'll be seeing a chance of lake effect snow showers later on. That chance remains in the overnight hours, with lows dropping into the 20s for the low temperature. Chance of snow, it does remain for the day on Thursday, but still pretty warm with highs in the low 30s. The cooler temperatures do return on Friday with windy conditions and a high just in the low 20s. Saturday, once again, our highs are going to be in the single digits, and we are closely tracking Martin Luther King Day on Monday as a nor'easter heads up the coast.
Ooh, let's hope we don't get too much snow.
I know. It's looking like right now we might get some, but this can always change, so we are keeping an eye out on it.
I'm sure you will. Hannah, thanks. The New York Giants have
back. We are mostly going to be overcast today and tomorrow as we are looking at some lake effect snow showers coming into the area. Little accumulation is expected from this. The sunshine does return on Friday and Saturday, but so does the colder weather, with just a high on Friday in the upper teens and on Saturday in the single digits once again. So here's a look at the snowfall outlook on Wednesday and Thursday, expecting about an inch of accumulation, not too much snow, and it is not going to be widespread. Just certain areas are going to be seeing this, specifically the northwestern part of Oneida County. We are not really expecting any snow on Friday and Saturday. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The U.S. is giving
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up much warmer this morning with our temperatures in the teens right now. We are looking to rise to the low 30s today. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly clear skies right now, but we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds and a few scattered snow showers possible. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, showing no activity at all in the area yet, but we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds coming in from the west today. We are also looking at some lake effect snow showers possible, especially in the areas that saw the most amount of snow on Monday. So that will be the northwestern part of Oneida County. Little accumulation is expected from this, at the most probably about an inch of accumulation of snow for today. We did get some reports from our sky watchers this morning. We are mostly ranging in the teens with the exception of Old Forge being at 9 degrees. We also have New Hartford down south at 19 degrees and Clinton at 18 degrees. So it is much warmer this morning. We have Emerson at 13. Morris at 14 degrees. We are looking to rise to the low 30s, upper 20s for the high temperature today, so it is going to feel a lot better outside. Here's a closer look at those high temperatures. Up in the North Country, we are looking at the upper 20s for the high temperature. In the Mohawk Valley, we are looking at upper 20s to lower 30s, so it is going to feel a lot warmer. Down south, upper 20s to lower 30s once again, so we are about 25 degrees above the high temperature yesterday, so it is feeling a lot better. We are going to be seeing breezy conditions throughout the day, though, so it is going to feel a little bit cooler than the actual temperature, but it is not going to be as cold as yesterday. The breeze does calm down for tomorrow, so feeling even better tomorrow with our highs in the low 30s once again. We are going to be seeing windy conditions return for Friday and breezy conditions remaining for Saturday, and these 2 days it is going to get a little cold. On Friday, our high temperatures only in the upper teens to low 20s, and Saturday, once again, our highs only in the single digits, so it could be another occurrence like yesterday. We are going to be seeing an increase in clouds throughout the day today, as well as a few lake effect snow showers in the northwestern part of Oneida County. Little accumulation is expected from this, not looking to last too long. We do have a chance of snow showers overnight tonight, and for the day tomorrow, we could be seeing a chance of some scattered snow showers due to a cold front moving through. But for today, we have a high in the low 30s. We are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers in those areas that saw the most amount of snow on Monday in the afternoon and evening hours. Overnight tonight, the chance of snow does remain into the area with a low in the 20s. So we are going to be seeing scattered snow showers once again tomorrow. Not much accumulation is expected at all with a high in the low 30s. The cooler weather does return on Friday and Saturday, and we are closely tracking a nor'easter off the coast for Martin Luther King Day on Monday. Gary?
10 below 2 nights in a row.
I know. I can't with it. Yesterday was too cold for me, and it's coming back again.
Yeah,
so.
get used to it.
I won't.
Yeah, welcome to Utica.
Thank you.
Oneida police are asking for your...
Good morning to Trenton and all of the greater Utica region. We are still pretty behind in snowfall. Right now, we measure all of this at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We've only gotten 14.4 inches of snow this winter season, when on average we would have gotten about 39.7 inches of snow so far. So we are about a little over 2 feet behind in snowfall this season, even after the snow event on Monday. We are going to be seeing a chance of snow this afternoon into the evening hours, but little accumulation is expected from this. The chance does remain for the afternoon hours on Thursday as well, and then into early Friday morning. We are going to be a lot warmer today than yesterday. We are already in the teens here this morning in comparison to being below zero yesterday. We will rise to the low 30s for the high. It is going to be breezy, but it is still going to feel a lot better. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. If you live in Bridgewater, listen up. Your
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up a lot warmer this morning than we were yesterday. We are already about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than the temperature was at this time yesterday. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing cleared skies right now and dry conditions, but we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds and a few lake effect snow showers possible. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, seeing no activity right now. We are dry in the area, but we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds today coming in from the west, and a few light lake effect snow showers are possible, especially in the areas that saw the most amount of snow on Monday. So that is the northwestern part of Oneida County and just the northern part of Oneida County in general. This is going to be very light, only at the most about an inch of accumulation is expected for that lake effect snow today. We are waking up a lot warmer today than we were yesterday. If you do recall, almost all of our temperatures were below zero at this time, but right now we're looking at temperatures at least in the upper single digits and in the teens. We are at 9 degrees up in Old Forge, 8 in Glenmore, 18 in Clinton, and 19 degrees in New Hartford. Going down to the south, we have 13 in Evanston, 12 in Milford, and 12 in West Lawrence. So we are feeling a lot better this morning. We are going to reach a high today in the low 30s. So in the North Country, high temperatures looking like they will be in the upper 20s, feeling a lot better than yesterday. Here in the Mohawk Valley, we will be in the low 30s, and in the Southern Valley, same thing goes, upper 20s to low 30s. So it is going to feel a lot better than yesterday. It actually will probably feel warm today for most of us. We are going to be a little bit breezy today, so it is going to feel just a little bit colder than the actual temperature outside. The breeze will calm down for tomorrow, so it is going to feel even better tomorrow. We have high temperatures in the low 30s with no wind, so it is going to feel pretty warm. Now, moving into Friday, our high temperatures only in the upper teens to low 20s, and it is going to be quite windy, so it is going to feel pretty cold on Friday. And on Saturday, that breeze remains and those frigid temperatures return, looking like we have a high in the single digits once again on Saturday. We are going to be seeing an increase in clouds throughout the day today, as well as a few lake effect snow showers in the northern part of Oneida County. Doesn't really last too long, only all in all an inch of accumulation is expected. For tomorrow, still remaining warm with highs in the low 30s, and scattered snow showers are possible due to a cold front moving through. Before today, we have a high in the low 30s. A few lake effect snow showers are possible. Same thing goes overnight. A few lake effect snow showers possible with lows in the 20s. So we have scattered lake effect snow showers tomorrow as well. It is going to be pretty windy on Friday, getting a little bit colder. And on Saturday, we have that high temperature just at 8 degrees, once again, looking like a repeat of yesterday. On Monday, we are closely tracking a nor'easter that is moving off the coast right now for Martin Luther King Day, so we will continue to keep an eye out on that. Gary?
We may see a lot of snow.
Yes, right now it is looking like that, but these models change all the time, so we're just going to continue to keep an eye out on it.
It is early.
Yeah.
Hannah, thanks. It is time now to look at some of the events.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing overcast skies today and tomorrow as some scattered snow showers are expected. Though sunny weather does return for Friday and Saturday, but that is when it is going to get pretty cold again with our high temperatures on Friday just in the low 20s and on Saturday in the single digits once again. So we are expecting a little bit of snow today and tomorrow, but at the most only an inch of accumulation is expected and is not going to be widespread. This is only going to be in certain areas, and we are going to remain dry on Friday and on Saturday. So if you're grabbing your coffee this morning, I would opt for the large or the extra large. Temperatures are in the teens right now. It is clear, but we will see increasing clouds throughout the day, and it is going to be a bit breezy. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The U.S. is giving
Welcome back. We are waking up a lot warmer today than yesterday. We are already about 20 degrees warmer this time right now than we were yesterday. Let's take a look at what is going on at Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are measuring 14 degrees Fahrenheit there, feeling like zero because there is a wind speed at around 10 miles per hour happening, but it is still feeling a lot warmer than yesterday. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We will see an increase in clouds today and a few lake effect snow showers possible with little accumulation. So our temperatures are all ranging in the teens. I think the one in Dowdville is wrong at the moment. We are looking at temperatures all in the teens right now. So if you are getting ready to head out the door, I would definitely grab the umbrella just in case. Your winter coat and the snow boots. We are still seeing a little bit of snow still on the ground, but that should melt away today if it does get warm enough. We are looking at highs just above freezing in the low 30s, and a few snow showers are possible this afternoon and this evening with little accumulation. I will be tracking that snow out a little bit more coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, thanks. A panel at the State Health Department has formally adopted
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up very warm this morning compared to yesterday. Our temperatures right now are already in the teens compared to being below zero yesterday. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera. Beautiful sunrise overlooking the city of Utica. It does look pretty cold out there. Temperatures are still in the teens, but we are going to warm up to the lower 30s for the high temperature today. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are remaining dry in the area right now, but we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds today coming in from the west, and a few light lake effect snow showers are possible. This is going to be happening in the areas that saw the most amount of snow on Monday, so kind of like the northern part of Oneida County, but little accumulation is expected. At the most, an inch of snow is expected. We did get some Skywatcher reports this morning looking like we are ranging in at least the upper single digits and the teens. We're at 9 degrees up in Old Forge, 19 already in New Hartford, 18 degrees in Clinton. Going down to the south, we have 15 in Cooperstown, 12 in Milford, and in West Lawrence. Our high temperatures today are going to reach the upper 20s to low 30s. We are looking to reach the upper 20s in the North Country with a few scattered snow showers possible. Here in the Mohawk Valley, we are looking at the upper 20s to low 30s with mostly cloudy skies, a few scattered snow showers possible as well. And down south, upper 20s to low 30s, looking to remain dry from that snow today, but it is going to be mostly cloudy down south. It is going to be a little bit breezy though, so feeling a little bit colder than the actual temperature. The breeze does die down for tomorrow, so it is going to feel even better tomorrow with our highs in the low 30s and not really that so much of a breeze. It is going to get windy once again on Friday, and it is going to be very cold. Our temperatures only reaching the upper teens for the high, and it is going to remain breezy on Saturday, and Saturday is looking like another day like yesterday. Our high temperature right now is only in the single digits, so we are keeping an eye out for another very, very cold day on Saturday. We will see increasing clouds here today with lake effect snow showers possible in the northern part of Oneida County. Little accumulation is expected from this, only looking to last a little bit, but we are going to be seeing a chance of some snow showers in the overnight hours and for tomorrow as well, as a cold front is moving through the area. But for tomorrow, our highs are still in the low 30s. So for today, we have a high in the upper 20s to lower 30s. A few lake effect snow showers are possible. Overnight tonight, once again, a few snow showers possible. They are going to be very light, and we have lows in the 20s. Tomorrow, a few snow showers still possible due to that cold front moving through, but they are going to be very light in nature. The cold weather does return on Friday with windy conditions and high just of 20 degrees. Remaining cold on Saturday, once again a high only in the single digits, and we are keeping an eye on a possible nor'easter on Monday, bringing in some snowfall on Martin Luther King Day.
us after a December to remember for its warmer than normal weather. January has definitely been quite different. It's in the low 20s outside, but that is quite warmer than yesterday. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in, and Hannah, it actually feels very warm out there after yesterday, doesn't it?
Yes, it feels so nice today compared to yesterday. Yesterday, our high temperature was only about 5 is what we reached at the Rivers Park Airport in Rome. Right now, we are ranging in the 20s, so it is feeling a lot better, and it is going to stay warm for tomorrow. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are just seeing a few light snow showers up north today, and that will be the case for the rest of the day today. Little accumulation is expected, only about an inch at the most. At the Rivers Park Airport in Rome right now, it is 26 degrees. It does feel a little bit cooler than that because we are seeing a slight breeze outside, but again, much better than yesterday. So for today and for tomorrow, we are expecting some light scattered snow showers in the area, but not much accumulation is expected from this. We are going to be dry and mostly sunny on Friday and Saturday, but it is going to get very cold once again on Friday and Saturday. But for the rest of the day, we are going to be be seeing mostly cloudy skies, and a few scattered snow showers are possible this evening in the overnight hours and into tomorrow. And I will be tracking that out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We're not the only ones dealing with this winter weather. NBC's Stephanie Gosk joins us now from New York City with how folks are coping along the East Coast.
Yeah, it's winter. Yeah, it's supposed to be cold. There's supposed to be snow. But even for the Northeast, this is particularly cold. One meteorologist in Massachusetts said that this cold air has come from the, quote, far reaches of the planet. And while that may sound a little dramatic, for anyone who's had to spend any time outside in the last couple of days here in New England, it has felt that way. Temperatures have plunged down to zero with wind chills in the negative digits, making it just a brutal stretch. There is going to be a reprieve. The temperatures are going to rebound today. New York could see 40, but it will be short-lived because the temperatures are going to take a dive again and more snow is coming in. Stephanie Gosk, NBC News, New York.
And fighting
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are mostly cloudy outside right now, but it is a lot warmer, feeling a lot better than yesterday. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing overcast skies here this afternoon, and we are also seeing a few light snow showers up north. If we do take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, seeing a few light scattered lake effect snow showers up north. So this will be the story today. A few light snow showers, little accumulation is expected from this. At the most, I am thinking about an inch of snow. We are seeing a little bit extra cloud cover as well coming in from the west. So it is going to be mostly cloudy day today, and the clouds do look to stick around for tomorrow. Tomorrow we also have a few scattered snow showers in store. Again, little to no accumulation expected. Our temperatures right now are a lot warmer than yesterday. We are looking at about 20 to 25 degrees warmer than our temperatures were yesterday at noon. We are in the lower 20s up in the North Country. In the mid-20s here in the Mohawk Valley, we have 27 in Rome, 26 in Whitesboro, and going down to the southern valleys, we are ranging in the mid-20s, 25 in Skenevis and in Norwich here this afternoon. So feeling a lot better, but that air is still pretty dry. If you did want to run the humidifier, today would be an okay to do it. It is going to get a little bit more moist tomorrow. We do have a stretch for some dry and very cold days ahead. Friday and Saturday looking very cold once again. Same thing goes for Sunday, as we are still looking at some possible snow showers coming into the area on Sunday. It is a little bit breezy as well, so even though those temperatures are a lot warmer, we are still feeling like we are in the teens, although the temperatures are in the 20s. The wind does die down for tomorrow. It is going to feel a lot warmer tomorrow than today. Our highs are going to be in the low 30s, and we are not going to be dealing with any breeze or wind. The windy conditions do return on Friday, so we are going to be seeing a pretty cold day on Friday with highs just in the low 20s and a wind chill temperature. On Saturday, we actually just issued another Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to another Arctic front moving through, and those temperatures are going to be in the single digits once again for the high, and it is going to be breezy, so we also are going to be seeing some wind chill temperatures from that. We are mostly cloudy this afternoon. A few snow showers are expected up north and in the northern part of Oneida County with little accumulation expected. It is going to remain mostly cloudy overnight tonight, allowing it not to get that cold. Our lows are just in the 20s, and our high temperatures tomorrow remain in the low 30s. Once again, a few scattered snow showers are expected tomorrow. As we get into Friday, we will be seeing partly cloudy skies, and our highs are just going to be in the upper teens to low 20s, so it is going to get quite cold once again starting Friday. Before today, we have a high in the low 30s, a few snow showers, especially up north. As we head into tonight, a low just in the 20s and a few snow showers, especially up north, and they are scattered and very light in nature. So it is going to remain a little bit warmer tomorrow before some colder weather does return for Friday, with high just in the upper teens to 20s. Saturday is another Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to the same reason as yesterday, very cold weather, and we are closely tracking some heavy snow that could happen on Martin Luther King Day on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. With new infections and look at the weather in this half hour. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are a lot warmer today than yesterday, looking about 25 degrees above the temperature at this time yesterday. We are mostly cloudy and seeing just a few scattered light snow showers up north. Let's take a look at that Yorkville battery storm tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, just seeing a few light lake effect snow showers up north today, so that will be the theme of today. And tomorrow we are going to continue to seeing scattered light snow showers with little accumulation expected. Our temperature right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is at 26 degrees, feeling a little bit cooler because we are seeing a little bit of a breeze outside. So for today and tomorrow, very light scattered snow showers are possible. We are going to be drying out once again on Friday and Saturday, but for these 2 days, that is when we are going to be getting very cold once again. So for the rest of the day, we do have a high in the low 30s, a lot warmer than yesterday. Scattered snow showers remain in the area this afternoon and tonight and tomorrow, and I will be tracking that out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. COVID-19 was
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are a lot warmer today than yesterday, looking at temperatures about 20 degrees higher than the temperature was at this time yesterday. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing overcast skies today in Utica and elsewhere. We are also seeing a few light snow showers up north. If we do take a look at the Yorkville battery storm tracker 2 Doppler radar, a few lake effect snow showers are forming up north today. They will remain that way for the day. Little accumulation expected from this. At the most, I'm guessing about an inch of accumulation could be expected. We are also seeing an increase in clouds from this morning coming in from the west. It is going to remain cloudy overnight tonight, keeping it pretty warm with lows just in the 20s. It is going to be cloudy tomorrow with a few scattered snow showers possible. Little accumulation is expected tomorrow as well. Temperatures are about 20 degrees higher than they were yesterday. We are looking at the low 20s in the North Country. We are in the mid 20s in the Mohawk Valley, looking at 28 degrees in Rome, 29 degrees in Westmoreland. And if we do go down to the southern valleys, we are at 26 in Skenevis, 25 in Sherburne. So we are ranging in the 20s here this afternoon, feeling a lot warmer, feeling a lot better than yesterday, although these temperatures are still a bit chilly for my liking. The air is not as dry today as it is going to be the next couple of days. So if you do want to run the humidifier maybe on a moderate setting, it is going to be quite moist tomorrow. But as we get into Friday, Saturday, and the beginning of next week, the dry air is going to return. It is actually going to be very cold once again on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. We are closely monitoring some snow coming in Sunday into Monday, so that dry air does linger throughout the days for those days. It is quite breezy today, though, so it is feeling a little bit cooler than the actual temperature, still a lot better than yesterday. The winds become calm for tomorrow, so it is going to feel a lot warmer tomorrow than even today with our highs in the low 30s. The wind does return for Friday, and our highs are only going to be in the upper teens to low 20s, so it is going to feel quite chilly on Friday. And Saturday has just been issued as another Storm Tracker 2 alert day because of another Arctic front that is moving through, and our highs are only looking to be in the single digits once again with breezy conditions. It is mostly cloudy for today. A few snow showers are expected up north. Little accumulation is expected. Overnight tonight, our lows will only drop into the 20s, and as we get into tomorrow, scattered snow showers can be expected. It is going to be mostly cloudy with the high in the low 30s. Now, going into Friday, we are going to get pretty chilly for the day on Friday. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies. Those clouds will dissipate, and we only have a high in the upper teens. For today, we have a high in the low 30s. A few snow showers are expected up north. Overnight tonight, same thing. We could be seeing a few scattered snow showers, little accumulation with the low in the 20s. So we are going to be seeing a few more scattered snow showers tomorrow with little accumulation expected. The cooler weather does return on Friday with a high just near 20 and windy conditions. Saturday is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to very, very low temperatures once again. And we are closely tracking a low pressure system off the coast that could bring us some snow on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
10 below.
I don't like that one bit.
A chilly weekend.
Yeah, and it's even looking like more now. It could be even 15 below. So.
Hannah, thanks. Officials at a warming center.
Forecast tonight. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking some very light freezing drizzle north of the Mohawk Valley this evening. A couple of slippery spots could be possible on untreated surfaces. This would be for Lewis and northern Herkimer and Hamilton counties, even northern Oneida County. I want to give you the heads up on that. We're looking at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and again, some very light activity. This is falling as freezing drizzle and not snow. We have a unique weather setup for that. Again, precipitation pretty light, but again, could be an issue on untreated surfaces. Current temperature is 33 degrees. We're not expecting this to happen in the Mohawk and Southern Valleys. Our weather headlines, pretty quiet weather tonight. Some light snow returns as we head into tomorrow. A cold front arrives early Friday, and we're expecting wind. Quite a windy day Friday. Colder weather to follow. Another Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Saturday based on those temperatures. We'll take a look coming up. Again, cloudy skies, some icy spots possible north tonight. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s. We do expect some light snowfall accumulation as we head into tomorrow. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. A national
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some mild weather that continues into tomorrow, but we are also following some wind, some light snow, and some much colder temperatures ahead. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam. Things are looking pretty quiet across the Mohawk Valley, but it's a different story to the north. We have some what looks to be light snow falling on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is actually falling as some freezing drizzle. We have a unique scenario in the atmosphere that is producing freezing drizzle, and that could make some untreated surfaces slippery. This is not a big concern for driving, as most roads are treated, but untreated surfaces, sidewalks, driveways, parking lots, just be a little bit careful if you're traveling this evening. Again, this is for areas north of the Mohawk Valley. Things look to remain dry in and south of the valley. Inlet, 24 degrees, Dolgeville, 24, Rome, 32, Whitesboro, 32. Across Southern Valleys, Skenevis, 30, Sherburne, 31, and Hamilton with 30 degrees. Again, heading out the door this evening, sidewalks are snowy and icy. We've been seeing quite a bit of winter weather over the past several days, and we had some ice on Sunday that's still there, and also some snowy sidewalks as well. So traveling, at least by foot, could be a little bit tricky here over the next couple of days. Going out and walking the dog, with that in mind, temperatures won't be too cold for walking the dog. Temperatures will be in the low 30s this evening. Tonight's featured dog is Max, and if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. We have Saturday highlighted as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We're talking about very cold temperatures on Saturday afternoon. You can see how things trend. Tomorrow we're in the 30s, so pretty mild. Friday, a transition day, windy and colder. And again, frigid conditions Saturday, similar to what we saw yesterday in terms of air temperature. The radar and satellite image showing, again, some light snow showers here across the area. We look to the north and west. This is our next weather maker. This is north of Minnesota. Just a very light, weak disturbance that rolls through, bringing us some light snow. Tonight, again, some patchy freezing drizzle north. That only lasts through about midnight, and then we'll get a chance to dry out. Overnight lows in the low 30s to upper 20s. Tomorrow, cloudy skies throughout the day and fairly quiet. Just a few light snow showers falling north of the Mohawk Valley. This continues into tomorrow night. As a cold front rolls through, we're going to see a big drop in temperature and a big increase in the wind as we head into Friday. Temperatures Friday afternoon falling into the teens. Snowfall for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and early tomorrow night. A very light accumulation is expected, 1 to 2 inches across northern Herkimer County and Lewis County, and just a very light coating elsewhere as that cold front drops in. Tonight, snow showers, a few icy spots, a low of 25. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-30s with a few light snow showers north, especially later in the day. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, windy Friday 24. Again, Saturday highlighted as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. A temperature of only 6. We could be double digits below zero Friday and Saturday night. So even colder than what we saw last time around. Sunday's looking dry, and then Kristen, some heavy snow possible looking ahead to Monday. We're going to take a closer look.
The closer we get to Saturday, the colder that temperature seems to be.
It's trending the wrong way.
All right, Bill, thank you. As hospitalization rates...
Back to the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, we are tracking some patchy freezing drizzle. It's more expansive than what we first thought. It's not just the North Country, but it's happening in a lot of areas. This is a picture here on Smith Hill with the ice sticking to car windshields. It's not a lot, but it is just enough to make things slippery. We're always cautious about freezing drizzle because even the smallest ice accumulation on untreated surfaces makes things slippery. And here's the problem. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, you really can't see it on the radar, and this is because it's falling in the lowest levels. So this is more south than what is being noted on the radar. So again, I just want folks to be aware of this if you're heading out this evening. There could be slippery spots on untreated surfaces, at least for the next couple of hours. We don't expect this to happen all night as a very weak disturbance rolls through the area. Our forecast again for this evening, cloudy skies with a few icy spots, temperatures in the upper 20s. We are tracking some much colder temperatures ahead. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Lawmakers on Capitol.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are continuing to track some patchy freezing drizzle that is taking place this evening. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower Cam. Seeing some patchy freezing drizzle on Smith Hill, and this is extending across a good portion of Oneida County. It's difficult to spot on the radar because this is happening in the lowest levels in our radar. As it scans across the region, the radar beam is positioned at about a half a degree above the horizon. So the farther away you are from the radar site, the higher you're into the atmosphere. Bottom line is, this is more than what it's being projected on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar to extend that band into the Mohawk Valley and into parts of Herkimer County this evening. If you live in these areas, just be careful. You'll notice this on the car windshield. It's easiest to tell if there's accumulating ice. The car windshield will look frosty. And this is mainly a concern on untreated surfaces. The main road should be fine. We're in winter mode here, so there's that layer of salt and sand out there. But again, it's not necessarily the case on sidewalks, driveways, and parking lots. It could be a little icy as we head into tonight for that. The patchy freezing drizzle is only around for a couple of hours. We do get a chance to dry out as we head into tonight. Norway, 27 degrees, Old Forge, 23, Paynes Hollow, 30, Clinton with 32. Across Southern Valleys, again, we are all below freezing, so any drizzle tonight will likely stick on untreated surfaces and freeze over. Edmonston, 29, Cassville, Helen with 29 degrees, Whitesboro and Eaton with 29, Sequoia with 30 degrees. Saturday, a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We're talking about bitterly cold temperatures, highs in the single digits. You can see the big change ahead. Tomorrow, we're actually above freezing for the first time in a few days. Friday, we're into the low 20s, and then Saturday, again, that big plunge in temperature. That's the high for the day. Friday and Saturday night temperatures look to be about 10 below zero, and that's in the Mohawk Valley. So you look at the radar and satellite image, again, some patchy freezing drizzle showing up. A tricky scenario tonight to point out, but again, we are detecting that across the area. Our next weather maker brings some light snow as we head into the day tomorrow. A lot of this falls in the afternoon and evening. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again, cloudy skies tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 20s. A cloudy day tomorrow. Some light snow develops later in the day, and this is going to be primarily north of the Mohawk Valley. Friday, we start out with a few snow showers. The temperature drops. It turns windy and much colder throughout the day. Check it out. 5 p.m. temperatures in the single digits, and then we'll be falling below zero Friday night. Snowfall for late tomorrow and tomorrow night. A general trace to an inch of snow in the Mohawk Valley. 1 to 2 inches of accumulation possible across Lewis, northern Herkimer, and northern Hamilton counties. Again, watch out for some icy spots tonight, low of 25. Tomorrow, looking at some light snow showers north, temperatures in the mid-30s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Windy Friday, 24. A bitterly cold Saturday, and that's our alert day. A high of only 6. We're keeping an eye on Monday with the potential of some heavy snow starting to show up in some of the long-range projections. We'll need a few days to give you an idea if this is going to be a high-impact event locally or not. But again, it is something we'll be watching. Tuesday, mostly cloudy, 25. Some light snow on Wednesday. Temperatures in the low 30s. We'll be right back.
For a first look at the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking ice. Now, is this now? Should I start my car?
Not a bad idea. Just be careful if you're walking outdoors this evening. Patchy freezing drizzle is occurring in and north of the Mohawk Valley. It's just very light. It's very hard to detect. It's even harder to predict, but it is enough to cause Slippery surfaces this evening. This is a look at our parking lot here in Smith Hill. Again, just enough to accumulate on untreated surfaces. A winter weather advisory has been expanded to include northern Oneida County, Herkimer County. I think the band goes farther south than that into southern Oneida and Herkimer counties. Again, one of the challenges here is that it's happening so low in the atmosphere that it's being missed by the radar. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This does impact parts of the valley here this evening. So again, just be aware of that heading out. This is not going to last for long, but it could be enough to make things slippery for a few hours. Current temperature at Griffiths is 33 degrees, but again, most of us are below freezing this evening. We're looking at some light snow to return tomorrow, windy weather on Friday, and it's expected to be bitterly cold again Saturday. Another Storm Tracker 2 alert day for that. Cloudy skies this evening, again, some icy spots, temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s. We are tracking a big drop in temperature. And look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The National Guard will remain in.
Next most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some patchy freezing drizzle this evening. A couple of icy spots could be had, especially in and north of the Mohawk Valley. Some big changes in the temperature are expected. We're going to get into some much colder weather as we look ahead. Live look at the CAV Tower Cam. We're overlooking the city of Utica. And again, some patchy freezing drizzle is taking place. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, this is mainly across northern Oneida County, Herkimer County, Hamilton, and Lewis counties. Untreated surfaces slippery. Major roadways should be fine. A lot of surfaces have been treated, but if they have not, again, we could be talking about some icy surfaces. We're thinking things like sidewalks, driveways, parking lots. Again, something to keep in mind if you're heading out and about tonight. The patchy freezing drizzle is only expected to be around for a few hours. We do expect the weather to dry out as we head into tonight. Norway, 27, Ilion, 29, Schuyler, John with 27 degrees. Temperatures remain below freezing across the southern valleys. Richfield, 30 degrees. Edmonston, 29, West Lawrence, 30, and Harry and Otsego checking in with 30 degrees. We've highlighted Saturday as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for the same reason we had our previous alert day. It's the bitter temperatures, about as cold as it was yesterday during the day, likely colder at night. We could see our first double-digit below zero reading of the season either Friday or Saturday night. So some pretty serious cold is returning. Tomorrow we get a break in the temperature. We should be above freezing, but again, that Arctic chill is expected to return on Saturday. The radar and satellite image, again, we're keeping an eye to the north and west. Here's our next weather maker all the way north of Minnesota. This is a cold front that will be arriving as we head into late tomorrow. Again, some patchy freezing drizzle over the next couple of hours will dry out tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 20s. Mild on Thursday, cloudy skies, some light snow develops late Thursday into Thursday night as a cold front moves through. Friday, we start out relatively mild with temperatures in the low to mid 20s. Temperatures fall throughout Friday afternoon and it turns windy. Wind gusts Friday afternoon, 20 to 30 miles an hour. As temperatures fall, we'll have a wind chill to contend with Friday night. Snowfall tomorrow. Again, a lot of this falls late in the day, an inch or two of accumulation possible, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. We're also keeping an eye on Monday. Early indications are we could be talking about some snow. It all depends on the track of an area of low pressure. It's too early to make a prediction here, but it is something we'll be keeping a close eye on. Again, this would be for Monday. Snow showers as we head into tonight. Again, a few icy spots are possible, low of 25. Snow showers tomorrow, temperatures above freezing. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Windy on Friday, 24 for the high. The alert day for Saturday, a high of only 6. We are well below zero Friday and Saturday nights. Sunday, we're into the low 20s. Again, keeping an eye on Monday for the potential of heavy snowfall. We'll keep you posted on that. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, some light snow as we look ahead to Wednesday. We'll be right back.
Joining us tonight. On December 10th, destructive tornadoes hit Mayfield, Kentucky, killing 22 town residents and at least 76 in the entire state. Some say the cleanup and repair could take decades before everything is back to normal. News Channel 2's James Catato is live in studio to tell us how one group of local students are looking to do their part in getting those people back on their feet. James, good evening.
Jason, good evening. When you think of high school sophomores, juniors, or seniors on February break, you think of relaxing and maybe staying at home. But 6 student athletes on the Camden track and field team have different plans. On February 19th, they'll hop in a minivan and depart to Mayfield, Kentucky to help clean up debris and even help rebuild homes for a week.
Everyone down there couldn't believe that there was a group of kids from upstate New York that were willing to give up their February vacation and travel all the way to Kentucky to work for an entire week.
In December, a string of tornadoes covered 5 states, killing almost 100 people and leaving thousands without a home. But Camden track and field head coach Phil Lucasen wanted to make a difference in one of the hardest hit towns.
And a lot of the people got choked up on the phone and stuff because they knew people that lost their houses, and they were excited just to tell them that there was people coming from all the way up here to help out.
Lucasen knew it would be a lot of paperwork and phone calls, but when all was cleared to go, he went to his varsity track and field team and asked them if they wanted to do it. The response was overwhelming.
When I had first found out that we were getting the opportunity to go down, it was just nothing you could turn down. Being able to help a community that's outside of your own, being able to make a change in people's lives, or as many people's lives as you possibly can, it's just an opportunity you shouldn't turn down. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
6 students will head down to Mayfield, Kentucky and help some people start the recovery of their entire livelihood. They'll be helping strangers, but they know through personal connection just how bad it's been for these people.
My sister actually is in college in Kentucky, so we were actually watching the storm.
My uncle lives down in Kentucky, and he works for a hospital, and he was kind of letting us know how many people there were in the hospitals because of this that lost their homes.
The students are accepting donations and are raising money through bottle and can drives to help them get to Kentucky. But they're determined to get there, one way or another.
It could be anywhere in the world for me. I just like the idea of doing something good for other people.
Because you don't expect anything like that to happen or for you to have a direct impact on what's happening. So for it to be me and my team and all of the people that I love, it's really great.
That drive the students show toward making it to Kentucky doesn't go unnoticed by Coach.
There are many kids that would do this, and there's many kids that would say, heck no. Yep, so we happen to have a good group.
Something else to add that's pretty incredible. On their way to Mayfield, the students will stop in Youngstown, Ohio to, as their coach put it, stretch their legs. What he really meant was competing in a full-on track meet. So a busy schedule, but a pretty spectacular one for those young men and women. Jason?
All right, James, thank you. Great job. Travel advisory for Lewis County tonight. Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. A little slick out there, Bill?
Yeah, some patchy freezing drizzle, a big problem in parts of the area, especially north earlier today, producing some slippery spots on untreated surfaces. This was outside our television studio earlier this evening. It was taking about 6 o'clock. You can see some ice accumulation on the car windshield. A winter weather advisory continues for northern Oneida, northern Herkimer, Hamilton, Lewis, and Oswego counties due to some patchy freezing drizzle. It's very subtle, but it is happening as we look at the Yorkville Battery Eastern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, seeing some of that activity in Lewis County. I couldn't rule this out across the Mohawk Valley as well. We are in similar conditions. The one difference about the lower elevations is that we are closer to freezing, so it won't be quite as slippery. But still, it's a good idea to just be extra careful if you're heading out this evening and early tonight. Our current temperature is 32 degrees. The weather does dry out, so this issue does come to an end. Light snow returns late tomorrow. A cold front is on the way. This is going to create windy conditions on Friday and bitterly cold temperatures on Saturday, colder than what we experienced yesterday. Tonight, snow showers, a few icy spots, temperatures in the mid-20s. Again, tracking the next round of Arctic chill. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Historic changes are headed for your home and office.
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is a look at the city of Utica. Our Cab B tower cam is showing pretty quiet weather across the area. We've been watching and tracking some very light, patchy freezing drizzle. It's been most prominent north of the Mohawk Valley, and again, it's been very light. The conditions that cause this are a little complicated. Basically, you have low-level moisture followed by dry weather aloft, and what's happening tonight is that even though the column of atmosphere is below freezing throughout the entire column, we are not seeing what we call cloud seeding. And so instead of getting snow, we have super cooled water droplets. Again, the bottom line is it's a recipe for some slippery spots north of the Mohawk Valley tonight. We do get a chance to dry out, so this is not going to be an issue all night. But again, keep in mind some sidewalks could be a little bit icy heading out the door first thing in the morning. Just something to keep in mind throughout the day. We do climb above freezing tomorrow, and actually this is going to be the warmest day of the week. We're dry 11 out of 12 hours, just a couple of light snow showers arriving later in the day. A bigger story is on the horizon. Heading into the weekend, we've got some really cold weather around. We've got Saturday highlighted as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. It looks even colder than what we experienced yesterday. You can see the big drop in temperature here Saturday, high of only 6. Again, tomorrow, though, temperatures will be on the mild side. We'll climb above freezing. We're looking to the northwest. This is the next weather system, a weak area of snow showers that's part of a cold front that will be arriving later in the day. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, cloudy skies tonight. Temperatures start out in the upper 20s tomorrow morning. It's cloudy throughout the day, and you can see that temperatures will climb near or above freezing in the afternoon. Some light snow does arrive tomorrow night. You can see that moving across the area on our Skycast, especially by Friday morning, a few lingering snow showers. Temperatures Friday take a tumble. We start out in the 20s. By 5 p.m., we're in the single digits. We're going to continue to get colder heading into Friday night. Some light snow is expected as we head into late Thursday and mainly Thursday night. An inch or two of accumulation is possible across the North Country, a trace to an inch of snowfall as that cold front rolls through for the remainder of the area. Keeping an eye on Monday, we've got 2 different ideas out there, both of them bringing some pretty heavy snow to our area, something to watch. 25 tonight, 36 tomorrow. Again, a couple of light snow showers and flurries. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Windy Friday, 24. Bitterly cold Saturday. That's our alert day. 21 Sunday, and then watching for the possibility of heavy snow on Monday. We'll be right back.
Hollis, thank you for joining us tonight. On December 10th, destructive tornadoes hit Mayfield, Kentucky, killing 22 town residents and at least 76 in the entire state. Well, some say the cleanup and repair could take decades before everything gets back to normal. Tonight, News Channel 2's James Catato is live in studio to tell us how one group of local students are looking to do their part in getting people back on their feet. James, good evening.
Jason, good evening. When you think of high school sophomores, juniors, or seniors on February break, you think of relaxing and maybe staying home. But 6 student athletes on the Camden track and field team have different plans. On February 19th, they'll hop in a minivan and depart to Mayfield, Kentucky to help clean up debris and even help rebuild homes for a week.
Everyone down there couldn't believe that there was a group of kids from upstate New York that were willing to give up their February vacation and travel all the way to Kentucky to work for an entire week.
In December, a string of tornadoes covered 5 states, killing almost 100 people and leaving thousands without a home. But Camden track and field head coach Phil Lucasen wanted to make a difference in one of the hardest hit towns.
And a lot of the people got choked up on the phone and stuff because they knew people that lost their houses, and they were excited just to tell them that there was people coming from all the way up here to help out.
Lucasen knew it would be a lot of paperwork and phone calls, but when all was cleared to go, he went to his varsity track and field team and asked them if they wanted to do it. The response was overwhelming.
When I had first found out that we were getting the opportunity to go down, it was just nothing you could turn down. Being able to help a community that's outside of your own, being able to make a change in people's lives, or as many people's lives as you possibly can, it's just an opportunity you shouldn't turn down. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
6 students will head down to Mayfield, Kentucky and help some people start the recovery of their entire livelihood. They'll be helping strangers, but they know through personal connection just how bad it's been for these people.
My sister actually is in college in Kentucky, so we were actually watching the storm.
My uncle lives down in Kentucky, and he works for a hospital, and he was kind of letting us know how many people there were in the hospitals because of this that lost their homes.
The students are accepting donations and are raising money through bottle and can drives to help them get to Kentucky. But they're determined to get there, one way or another.
It could be anywhere in the world for me. I just like the idea of doing something good for other people.
Because you don't expect anything like that to happen or for you to have a direct impact on what's happening. So for it to be me and my team and all of the people that I love, it's really great.
That drive the students show toward making it to Kentucky doesn't go unnoticed by Coach.
There are many kids that would do this, and there's many kids that would say, heck no. Yep, so we happen to have a good group.
Something else to add that's pretty incredible, Jason. On their way to Mayfield, the students will stop in Youngstown, Ohio to, as their coach put it, stretch their legs. And what he really meant was competing in a full-on track meet. So a busy schedule, but a pretty spectacular one for those young men and women, Jason.
All right, James Catano reporting. Thank you. Travel advisory for Lewis County tonight. Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. What are we expecting tonight?
Well, we are dealing with patchy freezing drizzle, so some icy spots, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. Check out this picture. This was in our parking lot right here on Smith Hill. Accumulation of ice on untreated surfaces, again, making things slippery. Because of that, the National Weather Service has a winter weather advisory for northern Oneida, northern Herkimer, Hamilton, Lewis counties. This is until 1 o'clock in the morning. We are tracking some patchy freezing drizzle that continues across the North Country, but this will be coming to an end as we head into tonight. Again, just a prolonged period of a few slippery spots. Again, untreated surfaces, the biggest concern. Current temperature is 32 degrees, so it's not all that cold out. We do have some light snow in the forecast for late tomorrow. The weather turns windy on Friday, and it is brutally cold. At least the wind chill for Saturday morning. Wind chills could be as low as 20 to 25, in some cases 30 below zero. So we've got an alert day there. Tonight, snow showers, again, a couple of icy spots, temperatures in the mid-20s. We are tracking a big drop in the temperature. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Historic changes are...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are taking a live look outside. This is Old Forge, where there is plenty of snow on the ground, and this snow is going nowhere anytime soon. We do climb above freezing tomorrow, so we'll get out of the deep freeze for a little while. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We look to the north. We can see some patchy freezing drizzle and drizzle that continues to take place across the North Country. That'll be coming to an end as we head into tonight. Sidewalks could be icy and likely will be throughout tonight as well as early tomorrow. Again, we were dealing with some patchy freezing drizzle earlier, and again, some issues will linger. This is mostly a concern on untreated surfaces. The major roadways should be fine traveling. Working outdoors tomorrow, how about a high of 36? Really not a terrible day for January. It's going to be pretty mild, and we will be mostly dry throughout the day. Just a couple of very light snow showers possible later in the day. Looking ahead, it is going to be much colder. Bitterly cold temperatures, an Arctic freeze for Saturday. We have Saturday highlighted as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We're expecting wind chills to be well below zero, 25, 30 below zero. This is looking to be even colder than what we've experienced yesterday morning, so get ready. Looking at temperatures tomorrow in the upper 30s. Friday, we start to see a transition day as that cold air starts to work in. And again, it's coldest on Saturday with a high of only 6. To the northwest we go. This is where we're seeing some light snow. A cold front's going to drop through as we head into late tomorrow. Our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast showing cloudy skies continue tonight. A generally cloudy, fairly quiet Thursday. The big story is it's just not going to feel as cold. You can see the temperatures into the mid to upper 30s will be above freezing. Tomorrow night, cold front arrives, produces some light snow. The winds kick up Friday. Friday, a blustery day. We start out in the low 20s. Temperatures fall throughout the day, single digits by dinner time, and we will continue the plunge. Snowfall forecast tomorrow. We do pick up a light accumulation. Most of this is tomorrow night, an inch or two possible north, a trace to an inch across the Mohawk Valley. We're also keeping an eye on Monday. We are watching the potential of a nor'easter. A lot of inconsistencies in the data. The best way to describe it is it's kind of like a fish out of water with the storm track. It just keeps bouncing around. Pretty common when we're looking at data this far out. We'll continue to keep an eye on this, and we'll give you updates as to where this thing is trending, whether it's to the west or whether it's to the east. It's likely going to give us a pretty high impact here in central New York, so just a heads up. Tonight, down to 25, just a couple of lingering snow showers and patchy freezing drizzle. Tomorrow, mid-30s, cloudy skies, some snow showers north. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, windy Friday, 24 degrees. It is bitterly cold Saturday, a high of only 6. That's our Storm Tracker 2 alert day. Sunday, low 20s, heavy snow possible. Monday, that could also be an alert day. We will take a closer look at that. Tuesday, 25, light snow possible next Wednesday. We'll be right back.